Hello and welcome, it's Gillykube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I am pouring over a canvas that I had previously started to pour on and then didn't like it. So I am pouring over a used canvas. I'm just so excited about this piece I did yesterday or the day before. It's drying absolutely gorgeous. It's part of my tropical week that I'm doing basically tropical colours. So you probably will have already seen this one by now, but I'm just so thrilled how that came out, because when I put some gloss varnish on it, those colours will just pop. So that was a really nice tropical themed pour, and I will link the video to that particular pour in the first comment on the underneath this video. So hopefully you've all had a good week so far and everything's going to plan and you're taking real good care of yourselves, which I hope so. Here in Australia we had some kind of mixed weather. Some days it's rainy and some days it's sunny, so it's kind of a bit of a mixed bag. This is gold mixed with burnt sienna, so it kind of makes this really lovely deep gold colour. It is very nice. So I'm going to do a split canvas, going to split the colours up, something, you know, giving it a bit of a change. I could use my spatula to do this, or the hairdryer I suppose, to blow it around, but whatever floats your boat, I say. So that's that bit of colour for now, and then on the other side I will pour some of my pre-made white that I keep in these containers. Let's see how I go with that one. This one's a bit thinner, this white is a bit thinner than that gold, because anything metallic you seem to have to keep it a bit thicker. It's a bit thicker than some. I often oh, there you go, there's my gecko adding his little 2 cents worth. Just before I go any further, I just want to try something. I just thought, oh, I wonder what it's going to be like just when there's just 2 colours on there, one blown into each other. So while I'm here, I'm just going to give it a go, because I can go back over it and change it if I don't like it. So I just want to see what one colour blown into the other looks like, because some people do ask for monochrome or just two, you know, very simple. So let's try. Wow, okay. Just thought I'd give it a go. I'm going to add some colour to it, but let's burst some bubbles. Not too bad at all. Oh, so that's interesting, but we're going to go to step 2. Step 2, I'm going to put some colour in there. It's quite nice, you know, if you've got colours in your home and you wanted just something very simple. It's just 2 colours there, so there's nothing more simple than that, and how easy was that to make. But knowing me, here we go again. I'm going to put some colour through. just put it a little bit on the slant. So this is metallic gold, so I will run some metallic gold through there. I just might add these 2 colours, and then we might see again what, just adding, you know, you can play around with it. Remember, it's your art room, your rules, your way, so don't let nobody tell you that anything's wrong or right. You just give it a go. So I'll put in just a bit more of that goldy kind of colour. Let's just blow this out with this, I might do. Oh, look at that! Wowzers trousers. Oh my goodness. There you go. I've got all these colours made up here that I was going to go through this, but that looks absolutely gorgeous. I just give that a bit of a straw blow, just to blow. It's lovely. It's so beautiful. How simple. Simple pimple. Winner winner chicken dinner. Absolutely gorgeous. Who'd have thought those colours, hey? Okay, I'm excited. Oh, these cells and that colours together is gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Wow, I'm loving that. That is so beautiful. Oh wow. I will just finish off my edges. That is lovely. Oh, it's got some really gorgeous gems of cells in there. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I like it. I just love it, the colours. I wasn't even going to do that, so there you go. What do you think? Oh, it's so beautiful. It's not as bright at all in this camera, but it is a stunner. It's a winner winner chicken dinner. So please wait on for the photos at the end. I will finish off my edges, just go around with the colour, and I'll post photos on at the end and let me know what you think. So that was just a surprise because I'd got reds, green, turquoise, everything to go in there. But I am really happy with that, so I don't want to go any further with it. So I'll let you let me know what you think. So thank you so much for that quick and easy one. The pouring recipe for this, the paints will be in the drop down box underneath this video, as will the supplier in Australia. You can get all of my supplies in the US on Amazon and the UK. So thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm here every day. So bye for now.